Alright. Hard objective, boys.
Eldrick, I'm sticking with you.
Oh yeah.
The chapter calls and we answer.
Hey, Carl. Hey, man. We're running something real quick. I'm not saying you have to leave, but just, let's be
Quiet
mindful
up.
of noise.
Holy shit! Are you guys? Oh, you guys are doing an event. I'm sorry.
Ah, one's coming from tunnels.
Yeah, I'm watching behind us.
There was somebody already
right
behind
now.
us.
Alright, let's get back on it.
I'm trying to keep an eye behind us.
That's
but-
not what I wanted to do.
Oh, you fucking twat.
Fuck me.
Ah, I'm dead. I was trying to just contest. Alright, hang on.
They put more shot grenades up.
Behind us, Vanguard.
Guys, I'm dumb. I'm just looking for ammo. Jesus.
I think we just refresh.
Ammo's in the tunnels.
Yeah.
I'm going the other way.
Next point, next point.
Okay, you fucking piece of shit.
Oh, on me. Fuck. Yeah, two of them. One bulwark, one tactical coming through the center.
Watch for a
Fuck's
flanking
sake.
Vanguard at any given time.
Alright, they're
They're
starting to
underneath
push over.
us.
I got a
watching
banner to
behind.
pop down.
Underneath. There are two guys. Two bulwark and something spicy.
Ah,
Yeah, two underneath, attack and van. Pushing on your left side. Vanguard's just.
I see him. One there, weak. One underneath, coming behind.
He's one shot.
Christ, what is that dude's pain?
Dude, they're pushing me hard, man.
I hate that.
Stay on the point.
Oh, okay.
How'd that taste?
Start rotating the next one if you're not on point already.
Moving.
Switching a sniper after that.
On their platform. Vanguard.
Yep, steam.
They're on our spawn. Our ledge.
See him. Two up there, one heavy, one tactical. They drop down. One Vanguard still on ledge.
I think you got a plasma on your right flank. He's dead.
I'm moving to the top flank. Right side.
Excuse me.
Everybody push hard objective. We'll start closing in.
Anyone who's not on the point might want to refresh to the next.
Rotate. Start rotating.
Yep.
I'll stay on point. No, yeah.
I got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna run back
Come on.
around for our nades quick.
Scalder
Yeah,
behind.
someone
Jesus. Fucking hate crack grenades.
Bunker down.
What?
Don't get too
Three
aggressive.
down, 3 down. That's 4.
Good
Nice.
shit, boys.
Last one, last one. He's down, nice.
Hold it. Nice work.
Oh, in the tunnel. In the tunnel.
I'm going to tunnel.
Yeah, he went to the right side.
Bull's pushing. Do we have a crack?
Batum ran off. I can.
Fuck.
Yeah, one guy on me. I'm there. I fucked that. My bad.
I should have fucking killed him. Fuck off.
Switched.
Good work, boys. Let's keep bunkering down. Good shit, Ivar.
Oh, one below. One coming from behind. Bunker behind.
Yeah, Vanguard center.
Fucking
Yeah,
ammo
one bulwark
again.
right there.
What?
Good.
Probably want to run to next.
Vanguard right there.
I'm on the way to the next
Fine.
one.
I need ammo.
I'm holding it.
I'm gonna
One
go
in center.
above.
I'm going for a flank.
See if I can get
I'm on point.
angle.
So
I'm
there.
on way to you, Ivor.
Fuck, I'm scanned.
Thank you.
Oh, mother.
Vanguard coming from their spawn. I'm flanking.
There's one up on platform here.
Yeah, one bulwark on one Vanguard at least. Bulwark on me.
I'm going back round from platform.
I'm on platform. Two people from their side on platform.
Ah, I nuked him and myself.
God damn it. I count 4 people on platform.
I'm done here. Fuck. They got me.
They're flashed.
Just keep dodging.
Yeah, keep them off the point.
2 up top.
If you die, rotate now.
2 there. Oh fuck me, I
Pushing
didn't
hard,
see that
rotate
guy.
next point.
God damn it, my bad, my bad.
Good fucking push.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
2 are in their tunnel side.
I'm going for it.
Back.
God damn. I'm on my way to you, Ivor.
I got you. I don't know what your name is. Heavy.
Damn it.
Heavy on me. Heavy on me.
Fuck me! God damn it!
Traded. Fuck.
One Vanguard. Dead.
I think every one of them have fucking shot grenade.
Yeah, I'm gonna start running shocks. Fuck them.
Hell yeah.
I have Overwatch.
Yeah, I'm up on balcony.
Let's go.
One coming
Stand
from
point,
their
stand
their
point.
thing. Yeah, yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it.
I'm gonna get ready on the next one here. I think he'll be external left. Yep. Cool.
One guy behind. Skullrick behind.
Vanguard on their ledge watching. Careful cutting
Yeah.
through middle. Oh, this is a pretty bad warm-up for me, but you guys are kicking ass. Good shit, boys.
I just woke up.
Good man. I've been drinking for 5 hours. You guys are doing great.
Oh, good first round. Nice.
Good game, boys. Good game.
Do we have to swap teams now and all that shit?
Yeah. I picked this up out
so-
of desperation.
Can we call out when someone's in the tunnels on either side? I think that's really, because like that's the spot you also get caught out of, I feel.
I'll hold between B and D then here, so kind of holding our home point a bit.
Okay.
Alright, guys, a
So,
strat.
yeah, that's 3 people, 4 people on the other side in the middle there.
They're on point.
Seemingly three moving left.
Dude, they're pushing me hard, man.
One Vanguard. Might have overlook over B in a moment. Coming to you, Ever? Oh fuck yeah.
There's 2 on me. Don't push it yet.
All right.
Give him a second.
Slow. Bull's dead.
You can push
on
it now,
B.
Randolph.
Talking about the primary.
One guy in
one
tunnel.
back
Oh, moving towards you, Ever. I'm behind.
I think one's coming back on our right flank to our home point.
Hey, guys, I need more support on Bravo.
Yeah, I'm switching to cover
Yeah,
Bravo.
hang on. I'm pushing for A. I'm probably gonna die in 20 seconds. Never mind.
Window, left side, Bravo. Hold still, you fuck. Oh,
2 heavies coming down mid.
The Vanguard's very weak.
I'm about to go to sniper. I'm not doing shit as heavy.
There's 2 in the back, 2 on point on B. I'm way to use, man. Fuck, you're kind of.
Yeah, come on over here, big guy.
Damn.
I'm on B, but I'm being pushed by 2 people on the right corner.
Do we want to focus on capturing B?
How hard or easy was it pushing A?
It's hard. It's 3 angles, and they've got a solid grip on the back too.
Yep. Vanguard on left window. 2
Yeah, he's
pushing
weak.
on.
He's weak.
Good scan.
God fucking damn it, dude.
You right now? 2 of them behind that. Got 1. Nice.
Good fucking shit, boys. Bullet down. I'm gonna grab ammo real fast.
Yeah, I need to fall back for ammo as well.
I'm scanned in windows, so they're watching
Oh
me.
damn it. One Vanguard coming to you, Ever. 2, 1 behind. One behind. One Vanguard and 1 heavy right there. Yeah.
He's lit. Armor's broken. Heavy on point.
Okay.
This attack was just 1
I'm
that
scanned.
got away from me.
And then 1 Vanguard behind us from our spawn on the left side.
Down. Left side's clear.
They're all on B.
Yeah, I'm moving there.
Hitting A.
One tactical, 1 Vanguard, 1 bulwark on B. God damn it.
Yeah, one's on D. Two on D, 2 D.
Moving to D. Hang on, one bulwark behind you here.
Attack heavy on D.
He's weak.
Attack heavy on D.
Coming to you, Sven. How many?
Okay. Fucking pussy ass bitch.
Okay, yeah, one
At the
attack,
bulwark,
one. Yeah,
okay.
2 there. Let's move to Cap D.
Bitch.
Okay, I think they've left D. Just go back.
Okay,
to
okay, okay, yeah. Moving for B then. One up in the window right here.
Hard B, hard B.
Watch that left flank,
Christ's
guys.
sake, man.
Okay, heavy in the corner. On B.
Hard focus on Bravo, boys.
I think
Yeah.
two pushing me on D at the moment.
I think
Every
two
single
people-
fucking one of them have flashes and it's pissing me off.
Fucking flashbangs.
Holy.
2 attacks right flank pushing D.
Fuck
No, they
off.
backed off. That's off.
Fuck it. I'm gonna bring a Thunderhammer in there.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, are we? Let's push on B to. Okay, might be too late actually. Never mind. Hey, we should. God, fucking. Should probably focus more together.
Yeah, nobody's at
Thank
B
God,
right
one
now
time.
except me and Sven.
Yeah, I feel like we're all going in and dying one by one, and we're not really getting an effective push. But for next time, I suppose.
Super low. Bulwark on point.
Christ's sake, man.
Nice.
Oh damn.
It's alright. It's a good try, guys. At the Ramp
Not
Up Club.
even 40
The Senior
yet.
Citizens Retirement Club. You're 40 in a few fucking hours, geezer.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't yell at me.
No, he
Don't
likes it.
yell.
Keep it up.
I have sensitive hearing.
Nice.
Oh, my bad. He actually has his hearing on it. Hearing aid on this time.
Get your
It's too loud.
shit. Yelling at him. Go. It's a joke.
Alright, we're locking in.
Alright. Watch
Water beer,
windows.
network deck.
Pop those fucking heavy shields. They love hiding behind them.
Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, they do.
Oh fuck, I need more bourbon.
I'm gonna bring the heavy bolter. It seems better at breaking heavy shields than the plasma.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm rocking heavy bolter.
You're using.
Actually, I'll run the auto bolt.
I was talking about heavy
Yeah.
bolter on heavy.
Well, I'm talking about heavy bolt rifle.
When I'm using tactical, I too usually use the auto bolt.
Just shoot him in the face.
Auto bolt would be really good to melt away their shields.
Alright,
Alright,
I'm gonna try and
Russian
keep hard
hiker.
anchor. My banner. You boys take that how you will. I'm gonna pop the banner and I'm gonna rush to the face.
You have a banner?
You
I have a banner.
You don't have to
We're all over
rush
there?
them. Just hold the point.
Yeah, stand the point.
Heavy. Fuck. Middle. Oh god damn.
This bolt.
Dumbass.
Behind.
Good
They're
call.
coming in
All right,
behind from
they're
our
all in the
spawn.
middle. Our tunnel.
One dead. He's low, he's low. Still in our tunnel, Ranulph.
I see him, I see him.
Nice.
Don't worry, I'm anchoring.
I'm going for a watch point above. One guy right there. 2 people right there.
Coming down.
Okay,
stairs on
3
the
people
left.
come from above. 3 people. One heavy, one bulwark.
I stunned all of them.
All right, I'm flanking the bulwark right now. Never mind, I'm on the wrong side like a dumbass.
Someone get
Uh-huh.
Banner down.
Careful, he's gonna
Break
have
the face.
teammates out there.
There's another attack up here. Attack up on the left.
I got one there.
Alright. Somebody get
See,
ready.
next
one-
point,
one
next
tactical-
point.
Up top.
One tactical coming from the side here,
I'm
and
staying on
one
point.
behind you, Ivor. Behind you. Oh, back there. Just walk back there. One guy there.
Wow, double crack grenade. You fucking proud of yourself, bud?
Goddamn.
What a fucking bitch move. Alright. I'm coming.
5R, good shit.
I'm very slow. I'm here.
One of them
I'm flashed.
I'm gonna see if I can get on the right hand, hold him there.
Can you dead ammo?
Yeah, I'm going with left hand. That's me, boys.
And
Oh,
all.
behind. One in the air up here. Vanguard. Got him. And one behind there.
There was one down there, whoever that heavy is, so be careful.
2 heavies pushing.
All right, 2 heavies pushing.
The second one's low.
Oh, bulwark's running.
One guy behind.
A heavy.
They're both flashed.
He's dead.
So, Vanguard right there.
Yeah, got him. One more guy down here.
Don't overextend.
2 on ping. Push up. Pushing back again.
2 people going.
They're giving up
right
point.
left.
Someone get ready for the next point.
Again, next. Okay.
It's gonna be across the way, yep.
Yeah, I'm
I'll
right
stay
here.
on point if you want to keep going, or start moving, I mean.
They're here too.
I think there's one in the window.
No,
They're
just
all over the
okay.
fucking objective.
Yeah, they just got ready for it.
I'm moving behind them.
All right, hold on,
I
boys,
tried him,
before we
sorry.
push.
Whoever that
That's fine,
was.
Hang tight, hang tight.
Yeah. Don't push in. Don't push
Is
in.
that tactical backside or left?
One bulwark on me. Yeah. One more here.
Whenever you guys are ready, tell me.
Adam.
Push, push, push.
You're moving.
One tactical back there. Back from their spawn. Coming on this side.
Bull's pushing in. Cracking in.
Oh, on me.
Did they just
On me?
blow themselves up?
Heavy back. Oh, nice.
I have to go for ammo.
Heavy
Got
left
2.
side.
Got 2 with that. Here. Banner right here if you need it.
Thank you.
Heavy
Yep,
coming
they're
up the
coming.
stairs, left side.
Left lane, middle. Shields pop.
Killed their heavy.
Good work, Sven. I saw that.
Vanguard mid. Window.
I was blind the whole fucking time. I was just swinging.
Behind them. In the
Cracking
flank.
bulwark. Left side,
How'd
left
that
side.
kill me?
Don't mind.
Whoever's
All right,
Down
I'm
the stairs
rotating
on the
next
right.
point.
On the right.
Gonna be
right
middle.
Yeah.
I think they got one coming from spawn side.
But yeah, heavy.
Stomping down below.
One heavy and tactical bind. From
Oh,
their
you're on
spawn.
your own, Randall.
Yeah.
You're solo.
I'm still
I'm
on
moving to the
point.
next.
He's down.
Three
Sucking
people
at it.
Point,
left.
next point.
3 people in middle going to point. Going to points. One above.
Cracking
One up
bulwark.
top.
Sorry.
Okay.
Damn it. Crack grenades. Piss me off so bad.
Yeah, one of their tacticals fucking likes to toss both of them at you.
Everybody get ready to push.
Yeah.
Let me know
I'm
when we're ready.
I'm
Ready.
ready. On our side.
3 far backside at this point.
I'm far
Going.
behind right now. Coming round to front. Sven,
Two
I'm
up,
with you.
two up top. One Vanguard, one heavy. On stairs.
Here, you need health right here.
Got things on.
Thank you, thank you.
One's low. Right there. Fuck him up.
Nice.
Heavy coming up. Watch out behind you.
Oh fuck, man. Heavy coming up to you, bulwark. Watch out.
I got the tactical. Heavy's on my body. Nice.
Coming in from
I think there's a bulwark down there with him too.
Yeah, I'm with you, Skulldrick.
Yep. There are 4
Oh,
forward,
okay, yeah.
2
No,
heavies,
not doing
and
that.
Jack on the backside.
I think next point's gonna be across the way or middle. Oh, he's running like a little bitch.
Oh, one,
Middle or
one.
low- low
On me,
left.
on me, on me.
Low left.
Turn
I'm
around.
on next point.
Behind. Oh, we're behind. Okay. One Vanguard above. Above you, Weber.
Fucking crack grenades, dude. You little bitch.
Sniper back alley.
I'm with you right now. Behind us.
I'm moving to flank.
I traded. Fuck.
There's one really low up there.
Yeah. Can't really. He's up top.
How many on point with you guys?
One bulwark, one heavy on me. Right here.
I'm flanking around.
One heavy, one blue Vanguard above on stairs. Above on stairs.
Alright, I'm just contesting right now.
Yeah, I'm getting the bulwark. Just keep shield up. Keep shield. Nice.
Nice. He's low. I'm pushing him. He's running.
He's off the point.
Let him go.
On me.
You guys, Skullgirk.
I'm fucking moving too fast. Can't hit him with plasma with the shit.
Got him low. Nice.
I think this might be
One
it.
more heavy coming there.
Nice.
Good
Nice.
shit, boys.
It's okay. See, this Waffle House living. I'm from Georgia.
Now we're gonna give these bitches a ticket to Waffle Stompton. That's right.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yeah.
Alright.
I'll go through center and go for their windows.
Okay, battle line guys on objective.
Yep, I'm going.
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
beelining it.
Gordon, you have your headset on. Okay.
Ah,
Good kill.
get shit on, bitch.
We're over the top. I think they're spicy.
Yeah, I'm going behind them.
I'm sorry. I was trying to dodge away.
I ran off behind this guy.
Yeah, I see him.
Alright, before we push,
Um,
let's hold tight. Let's regroup.
That guy's nice. Ran off.
There's one
Alright,
right here.
push. Close in.
I'm keeping Overwatch.
You got a heavy sitting back there? Fuck you,
Yeah.
fucking dweeb.
Going for it. Got two on me at the moment.
One sniper on top and one Vanguard on top.
Bulwark on me, down in the bunker. And sniper. I don't know how I'm still alive, but...
Fuck. Yeah, two people on top. Dropping down.
Hang on, I'm coming up to the top.
Fuck.
One dude dropping down is low.
Don't judge me for this, but
Next
I'm
point.
changing.
God damn, that was a fight, dude. They just abandoned the point.
Oh.
They're moving. Two of them are moving to it from the middle.
Two heavies gonna need help then.
Hang on, I'm moving up.
Yeah, I'm moving in behind them.
Sniper on grenade spawn in mid.
Bulwark coming from
Oh,
behind.
fucking.
Fall back, Finito. I got you.
My bad.
Come here. Oh, that motherfucking
the
bulwark.
fuck?
It's gotta melt that.
Is that what that was? I just fucking blew
Yeah.
up immediately.
Alright, let's regroup, boys. We're just trailing. Let's hang tight. Regroup, regroup, regroup.
Yep, yep.
I'm gonna go for the extra nade quick.
Alright, start pushing.
I'm going for a watch. Oh, one guy behind there. Behind you, yeah.
Let me go in first, Ragnar.
Got him.
Oh, that was a fucking
Fuck me.
bad banner.
One guy, one heavy right here.
I'm considering going bulwark.
You go bulwark, I'll pick up heavy.
One tactical right there. Fuck. We
Should
don't
probably
have
just
any.
reset for next.
Yeah,
Ready to go to next objective?
I'm pushing this guy.
Alright, I'm going board.
He's killing this.
I'm switching to bulwark.
Left
Yeah,
button.
Oh wait, never mind. Never mind.
Okay, yeah, fuck me, that was dumb.
Alright, there's
Someone's going invisible.
Sniper's pushing in,
Yep.
I think, yeah.
All of them just funneled in.
How in the rat fuck am I cloaked
Coming
and
to
throw
you
a
over?
crack
Oh,
grenade on someone and they fucking kill me before I can get my primary gun up on them?
Behind.
You got the heavy?
Bullshit.
Tactical behind. Tactical behind. You guys love their equipment,
sure,
that's
which
for damn sure.
Another one behind on the attack. He's on the left side. On ping. Got him.
good shit, boys.
One behind.
God, fucking crossfired with 2 heavies. Oh, that was one of my heavies. Never mind, I just got
Okay, I need a full restock.
Sniper behind. Watch
Sniper
out for
come from
Melta.
destruction.
Sounds like we got dudes stomping below in our respawn.
Oh.
I don't know if they're trying to force the change or what.
Tactical on me.
You got one heavy back there that's real low. Oh, nice,
Yeah,
you got
I'm with you right now.
I'm gonna move to new.
Alright.
Well,
you
one
want-
heavy, one sniper right there.
I'll stay here if you guys want to move to it.
is
soak
that
up the
is
last
that blind
points.
or external?
External, I think.
External. External.
I need.
One above, heavy above, drop him. Two above, tactical.
I'm going for a watch.
They got me.
One behind the pillar. Yeah, you see him.
I got a
And
watch.
there's one. Yeah.
One tactical coming there. Out of shields. And heavy. One heavy on their stairs.
Guys, one shot on their point.
One bulwark coming from the tunnel.
Yeah, I've got cracks for him if he gets close. There he is. Cracking in.
Bro, this guy's lagging out the fuck.
I'm low health. I'm off point.
Yeah, I'll keep on point for now. I'll just spin it.
All right, I'm getting back on.
Good banner.
Oh, they're all blind right there. Fuck them up.
I'm coming with a scout.
One Vanguard coming from top pillar.
Oh, Melta!
Go Scaldrick.
Oh.
Oh,
Vanguard.
three middle pillar. Three middle
pillar.
pillar.
So coming in, bro.
Oh, good. We fucking held their whole team there for a good minute.
There's 3 or 4
one
people on
for the
middle.
so
New point.
They got one on it.
two still up above the original point.
I'm moving for left side.
How did? Okay.
Welcome to Waffle Stomping, motherfucker.
I'm gonna swap
flash.
to assault for this objective. I might not get much use out of it actually.
One bulwark and one heavy, very weak on point.
You got someone back.
All right, let's hit the objective hard, boys.
Yeah, I got banner right here at the start. Push in.
Contest.
Up on left balcony, there, left balcony.
Yeah, there's 2 people there and then one on top.
Hey, they're in our spawn. One Vanguard.
Timberlake going to center point.
Vanguard just dropped middle. Oh, I didn't mean to drop off. Fuck.
Okay, you little fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, one heavy blow.
I'm back on point.
I am as well.
Yeah, contest.
Vanguard
Everybody
back
else,
on
next point.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I fell off.
Next point. Next point.
Melt to heavy on the way to point, I think.
Alright, swapping back to bulwark.
One very
gotta
weak
keep that
Vanguard,
top.
one bulwark. Fuck me, I'm dead.
No way. There's too many of them. We need to regroup for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. One up top.
One Vanguard.
Made him push down.
I'm going for the tunnels.
Let's get on it. We need a contest. Hard objective.
I got both their tacticals.
I'm contesting. Fuck.
He's blind. Got him.
Oh, one guy
right
behind
here.
us. One guy behind us. Good shit.
Nice. One in tunnels. Nice. Nice.
Some of us should probably push forward so we can get as many.
Yeah,
shots as possible.
I'm going up.
I'll
going for
stay on
flanking,
point.
going up.
Anchor it.
They're all
I'm gonna
coming out of
watch
that
tunnels.
tunnel. They're all coming out.
Yep.
See one guy on stairs.
2 coming. 3 coming.
One guy over here. I got him. I'm on Overwatch.
This
Good
dude
play.
is fucking bitch ass melt the charges, man.
Here, somebody get to point.
Is he
Ragnar's the
right
only one there.
Yeah,
Get on point. Get on
I'm
point. Get
going
on
for-
point. Get on
New point. New point. New point. New
Okay.
point.
Yeah, I'm on to new point. There's a guy here with me.
I'm behind you.
Okay.
I'm getting on with you. I'm firing at that tactical.
Let's
He's
go,
half.
baby.
He's dead.
Good shit,
Nice.
boys.
Good shit.
Didn't do too well that one, but
Hey, we won. That's all that matters.
Good shit, boys. Good fucking shit.